In this video, we're going to learn how to make a Google Chrome extension that includes an RSS feed with images. So this is an example of what the Chrome extension could look like. It has the logo image at the top. It has the title of the RSS feed right below the logo. And then it includes the RSS feed, including the title of each article, a description of each article, and then also an image. So this is a little bit different than the RSS feed only. This one includes the images that come with the articles. Also at the bottom, it has a footer text with a clickable link. So let's go ahead and build this and see what all we need to put in for information. The first one is the extension name. This is the name that appears right under the logo. Then you want to add your description, and remember the description appears inside of the Manage Extensions area of your local computer, and it also appears in the description on the Google Chrome Web Store. Next, you want to add the header logo by clicking Choose File. And once you load it, you should see a preview. The next item is the RSS feed. If you are building a blog, whether it's with ChromeStackPro or another platform, you should be able to find an RSS feed URL, find that URL, and paste it into this field. Then choose the number of items on your RSS feed that you'd like to show. These are the newest items inside of your blog. You can choose from 3 to 10 of the latest items. The next item is the footer text. This is the text you want to appear at the bottom of your extension. The next item is the footer link. This is the link that you want if they click that text at the bottom of your extension. And the last item is the extension icon. Click Choose File. And once you choose the file, you should see a preview of it. Once all of the information is filled out, just click Generate Extension. And it's now generated all the files for you and put it into a nice, neat zip file, along with instructions on how to install it on your local computer so you can test it. So when you're ready, click Download, and it will download all the files that you need. Don't forget to take a look at the right-hand side where we have instructions on how to add the extension to your browser so you can preview and test it. And then also when you're ready to publish it, we have a video on how to publish your extension to the Google Chrome Web Store. So that's how to create your Google Chrome extension that has your RSS feed for your blog, building it inside of ChromeStackPro.